Hey guys, I'm Will G with the Barber DTS Pro team, and today we are going to take a look at the critical torque. So, the Torque's Critical's first offering in the tattoo machine category. They've been working on it for quite some time with engineers and working alongside artists with it as well, prototyping it. I'm really lucky that I got to be one of those artists, so I'm super excited to show you what's inside this box today and what a fancy box it is. If you're buying the full kit, you get a hard case which houses everything. Inside that hard case is a universal battery dock, which is dual port, which is fantastic because there's two batteries in this kit. The 34mm grip, an RCA adapter, so if you don't want to run batteries, you can just put that on the machine instead. And now this is the version 3 of the Critical Connect batteries, and then you get your machine, which has the second battery and the 40mm grip on it. Now this is the green Torque, which means it's got the 3.5mm stroke length. There is also a 4.2, and that machine is in black. And also in the box is an RCA cord, which goes with your adapter, some replacement O-rings, some extra lube, a shiny sticker, and your quality control card, so making sure that it's all been checked and everything's in the box. And also it has a QR code on there too, so that takes you to their YouTube channel, I believe, for the tutorial on setting up the batteries and what have you. The Torque boasts a powerful 9-watt custom-built brushless motor, which drives a direct drive system, delivering all of that power directly from the motor to your cartridge. The direct drive system helps alleviate any instability, helps remove any loss of power through multiple mechanisms moving within the main internal workings of the machine, and just has a precise, punchy hit every time consistently. The machine also has a vibration dampening system. The vibration dampening system is extremely effective. I used a cartridge configuration from the same manufacturer in this machine and applied that to another machine which actually had a 6-watt motor, and turned them both on, and this machine had way less vibration. I genuinely thought by having a more powerful motor that was going to cause more vibration transfer into my hand and just something I'd have to deal with, but actually there's less. So this packs the punch and feels more like a coil machine in the traditional sense, but with all of the convenience of a pen style rotary machine. So you get all the consistency and the precision every time you pick the machine up, and there's no tinkering and fine tuning of the coil machine. It's just every time I pick this up, it's the same, but without any of the vibration. The machine comes in at 13 centimeters with the battery and about 11.5 if you're using the RCA adapter. With the 40mm grip, it weighs 204 grams, and with the 34mm grip, it weighs 176 grams. So it's pretty light, pretty ergonomic. I personally chose to use the 40mm grip and wrap it with cohesive bandage anyway, but the grooves definitely are well spaced. So as you're turning it, changing the amount of needle available to you, I didn't find that they were too spaced out, and I found myself between them. The ergonomics of the way that the grooves in the grip were really comfortable. Definitely over longer durations, I found that the larger grip was better. Doing day sessions and everything else, I found that I could have a looser grip on the machine. And because of the way it flares out, rather than being straight, I found that to be a lot more comfortable as well. The Torque's powered by a version 3 of the Critical Connect battery series. This comes in weighing 59 grams, has a very impressive 15 hours battery life depending on the voltage range that you're running the machine at, and it's compatible with the Critical foot switch and a 1.5-inch screen, which is in full color. It features 2 savable presets, so you can set those up, say a lining and a shading, and then incrementally you can change those by 0.1 of a volt, so it is very accurate. It has a jump start feature, which you can enable or disable, a runtime feature, which you can input your hourly rate. It will track how long you've been using the machine for and calculate how much you should be charging based on your hourly rate and how long you've been tattooing for, or you can set that as a session timer. It is also hideable or visible on the screen, and you can choose that, whether you want your clients to be able to see how long the session's been or not. You can hide that. And it's a very intuitive battery setup. It's really easy to navigate and really easy to use. If there's certain features that you don't want there, you can just turn them off. And it is ambidextrous, so you can set up your main voltage buttons either left or right.